Hello everyone! In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to add a Presto card to your Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select Transit Card from the options. Look for Presto at the top of the list. If you don't see it, use the search bar to find it by typing Presto Card Canada. Tap on Presto and click Continue. Choose the amount you'd like to load onto your Presto card. Options include $5, $10, $25, or $50. After selecting the amount, tap Add. Complete your purchase using your verified Apple Pay payment method. And that's it! Your Presto card is now in your Apple Wallet and ready to use for transit in Canada, whether it's buses, trains, or other participating services. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.